Ness-ana TV. Hello friends, hello my beautiful friends. Welcome back to the class. Today we'll be learning the digraph. We'll be learning the beginning and ending digraph. Can you make the sound? Again. Good job. We'll be starting with the beginning digraph. That is words that start with sh. Sheep. Can you hear the sound? Sheep. Sheep. Shark. 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 Shoe. 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 Sheep. 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 Shine. 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 Then let's go to the ending digraph. That is where that ends with sh. Ending digraph. Dish. 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 Bush. 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 Fish. 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 Push. 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 Brush. Brush. SH sounds sh. Very good, boys and girls. That was a very good job you did. Alright, let's take it again. Beginning digraph. SH sounds sh. Sheep. Sheep. Can you say that? Can you tell me this? Can I hear the sh sound? Shoe. Good job. Sheep. Sheep. Can you repeat? Ending digraphs. Let's go to words that end with sh. Ending digraph. Push. Push. And this is I can hear you. Brush. Dish. Dish. Very good, boys and girls. That will be the end of today's class. See you.